Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you're watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand this solely to take your decision. Your work like will motivate me to be regular and working more for you. So let us start the day to analyze the movements of natural gas futures in different time frames. So friends, here you can see a monthly chart of natural gas futures. So here you can see that how the natural gas futures have found a strong base in a monthly time frame here at the levels of $2. And since then we have seen a sharp recovery in natural gas futures where the natural gas futures have found a bullish candle during the month of April. So let me zoom this portion for you. So friends, here you can see that how during the month of April 2021, natural gas futures showed a strong rally from the levels of $1.989, which seems to be a strong base for natural gas futures. And here you can see that how the formation of a bullish crossover in a monthly time frame could continue this rally in natural gas futures. So here you can see that how the natural gas futures have found a strong base above the 9 days moving average during the month of April, which is currently at the levels of $2.6. So friends, here I find that the natural gas bulls have formed their immediate base at the levels of $2.6 in a monthly time frame. So friends, here you can see that how the natural gas futures tested in the high at the levels of $3 during the month of April. And here you can see that how the formation of a shooting star in a monthly time frame looks evident enough for a breakout move in natural gas futures, where the natural gas futures could find a tough resistance at the levels of $3.153 during this month. And the next resistance will be at the lower end of Ichimoku cloud in a monthly time frame, which is currently at the levels of $3.265, where a breakout in natural gas futures could push the natural gas futures to test the upper end of Ichimoku cloud, which is currently at the levels of $3.692. Friends, here I find that the natural gas futures look ready even to test the highs of $3.7 during the upcoming weeks, where I find that during the upcoming week the natural gas futures could try to sustain above the levels of $3.155, where a sustainable move in natural gas futures could break the lower end of Ichimoku cloud, which is currently at the levels of $3.271, where a breakout in natural gas futures could keep this uptrend intact. Friends, now let me zoom out this. Friends, now let us check this move in a weekly time frame. So friends, here in a weekly time frame, here you can see that the natural gas futures have been currently sustaining well much above the upper end of Ichimoku cloud, which confirms the continuity of another trend in natural gas futures. So here you can see that how the 9-day moving average is trying to tilt upward, where it could form a bullish crossover during the upcoming week, where a gap up opening could confirm the continuity of this uptrend in natural gas futures in a weekly time frame, where the immediate resistance will be at the $3.165, and a breakout above this immediate resistance will push the natural gas futures towards the levels of $3.310 during the upcoming week. So friends, now let us check this move in a daily time frame. So friends, here in a daily time frame, here you can see that how the natural gas futures have been constantly sustaining above the upper end of Ichimoku cloud, and since then the natural gas futures have been maintaining an uptrend from the levels of $2.583. But here you can see that how the natural gas futures have been finding a stiff resistance at the psychological resistance at $3, where I find that the natural gas futures could test a breakout above the. Here you can see that how the natural gas futures have found a breakout on Friday above the psychological resistance of $3. Here I find that a gap up opening of natural gas futures on the first trading session of the upcoming week above the levels of $3.054 will confirm the continuity of a breakout move in natural gas futures, where the natural gas futures could test the immediate resistance at $3.162, where a sustainable move above the levels of $3.147 could continue this uptrend, where the natural gas futures could test the levels of $3.311 during the upcoming week. So thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.